Hi team, today we're going to be running through a key principle in running a cost-effective and profitable business. One of the most crucial items to a contractor business is the van. If you don't keep a van in good order, it's going to cost money and time. So one principle you must know is the 80-20 rule. So we have to identify what we are always using on the jobs, and we also have to identify what we're using only 6 to 12 months. The reason for this principle is that we can't fit everything in the van, because if we could, we'd need a big bus. That's just not going to work. So think about what the majority of your customers buy from you. If the item is sitting in the van for longer than 6 to 12 months, then you know you just won't need that. It's better to remove it and store it back in the workshop. Also, tools are the same. If your van is fully loaded, you have to pay extra for that petrol and that diesel to carry around all the excess weight. If you carry too much in the van, it becomes clutter and you can never find what you're after. But on the other hand, it also costs money if you don't have the parts that you use every day in the van. You always have to shoot off to the wholesaler or order them in. The balance is quite crucial. Now let's have a look and see what we have in the van. Most of our hand tools are kept down the back, while our test meters, multimeters, and test leads are all kept to the front. This is where we keep most of our power tools, along with the drill bits and hole saws. We also only stick to Hitachi, as this saves having multiple different batteries. The parts we require for our jobs are stored at our workshop in bins. Let's go have a look at that. I hope this video helped you to make your business more profitable and less stressful. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so this can help us make more content for you. We'll see you next time. So leave that at the workshop as well. And then they started doing the thing.